Hi. So today our article is World News for Breaking News, and it is honoring police officers. National Police Week is May 10th to the 16th in the US. This week honors police officers. Police officers protect people, solve crimes, arrest criminals, and more. Washington, D.C. usually has special events for Police Week. Many police officers usually go to Washington, D.C. This year, many events are canceled. People usually light candles to honor police officers. This year, people can watch a special ceremony online. The ceremony will honor police officers. So, let's review our article. National Police Week is the 10th to the 16th. It'll be over by the time you guys read this article or this breaking news. And during this week, we honor police officers. And so police officers will help protect people. They solve crimes, they arrest criminals, and they do a lot of things to help. And usually there's usually special events in Washington, D.C. And that's all the way, very, very far from us, all the way across the United States. Many police officers usually go to Washington, D.C., but this year, because of the coronavirus, and they don't want lots of people together, those events are canceled. And so you can light candles to honor police officers, and there will also be a special ceremony that we can watch online that will honor police officers. Let's review. Number 1, what is May 10th to the 16th? Is it National Police Week, Fat Bear Week, or Fire Prevention Week? It is National Police Week.
National Police Week.
Number 2, who does National Police Week honor? Park rangers, nurses, or police officers?
Police officers.
And number 3, where do many police officers usually go for Police Week? Is it Washington, D.C., St. Louis, Missouri, or Nashville, Tennessee? They go to Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C.